Sandy Kraemer-Keeker, physician assistant. The most rewarding thing about my job, I think, is to either keep people healthy where they are if they have chronic disease, or to make them healthier than they are. It makes me very happy when I see that they're losing weight or their blood pressure is coming down and they're happier with themselves too. That's the biggest reward when they're happy. Medical issues people will come to with is preventative care, as now insurance is covering their annual exams. Anxiety, see a lot of people with high cholesterol, high blood pressure, some heart issues. And sometimes it's people just need to talk about things, not necessarily to give them an answer, but just to have somebody listen to them. Feel like I can listen to you when you talk to me, and I'm not going to be shocked by about anything you say. I don't feel like I'm judgmental at all to people. So I think that's one thing that some of the people will come to me for, is that I'm basically a good listener. Be as healthy as you can, kind of everything in moderation. You don't have to go to the far end of being so strict that you don't have the quality of life that you want to have. But on the other hand, don't go on binges of things, and it's just kind of exercise when you can and do what you can, because everybody's life is different, everybody's family is different, and you kind of have to do what's the best for you, not what everybody else is necessarily telling you should be doing. I think in this community there's a lot of rural health available, which I like, a lot of education to do, and I prefer being in a smaller community where it's not as rushed. I mean, it takes me 10 minutes to get to work. You see people that you know from the clinic outside and just can say hey at the grocery store, or shopping out. People are responsible for their own health, and I think once they are educated about what is good as far as exercise, diet, and that sort of thing, then they can feel like they're a little bit more engaged in their health, because they're obviously the owner of their body and they're the ones who need to take care of it. Things that we have available here are lab right on site, X-ray is right on site as well. We also do have a sports trainer available. We have a diabetic educator who's here 2 times a week. We also have clinic for INR clinic for people who are on chronic blood thinners. In my off time, during the winter, I like to snowboard. We like to travel when we can, basically visiting with family and friends, and 4-wheeling once in a while, walking, camping.